Hello NEIB and Cambridge College students. This video will walk you through how to access the MyCC Student Portal and Canvas, which is where your courses will exist. We recommend using Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox as your browser, as these are optimized to function with Canvas. First, you'll navigate to mycc.cambridgecollege.edu. There, you'll select the single sign-on or SSO login. Using the information provided during the enrollment process, you'll enter in your username and your password, which is your student ID, to sign in. After signing in, to access Canvas, you'll simply need to click the Canvas portal link under Quick Links here on the main page. This puts you to your Canvas dashboard, which is your central location to navigate throughout all the areas of Canvas. You'll see your navigation pane here on the left-hand side, the tiles for any enrolled courses, your to-do list, and your upcoming tasks. Starting with your account, we ask that you set up your profile. It's a good idea to put in a profile picture so students and instructors know who they're interacting with on the discussion boards or in the messages. Next, under your settings, you can enter in an alternate email address. Your main email address will always be your Cambridge College email. That's your access point for Canvas. But adding in an alternate email address allows communication to be sent so that nothing is missed. Notifications allow you to set what information is sent where and how often. It's a good idea to set this up so that you don't miss any announcements for grades, announcements themselves, or any posts on your discussion board. This keeps you on top of everything happening inside of all of your courses. To get back to the dashboard, we'll simply click the dashboard feature here on the navigation pane. The courses icon allows you to navigate to previously completed courses or the courses that appear on your dashboard. Your calendar maps to anything due in your currently enrolled courses, but it's also your own, so feel free to customize it however you see fit to help you keep on top of tasks and to help you manage both your education and your personal life. Your inbox is not the inbox for your student email. This is an inbox for messaging feature in Canvas that allows you to reach out to other students, your advisor, and your instructor. Again, on the dashboard, you'll see that you can get to any enrolled courses by clicking these tiles. Here, you'll see that this shows you any announcements or any updates to the discussion boards. Whenever you see these notifications, it's a good idea to click these to access the announcements or updates to discussion boards so that you can keep on top of what's happening in your course. All NEIB students are enrolled in the NEIB Student Resource Center and eLibrary Overview, which we'll look at now. The NEIB Student Resource Center is a centralized hub for information that you can access 24/7. There's a section for new students, universal updates, our student support toolbox, which includes your syllabus center that contains the syllabus for every course offered at each degree level, a section for research help, technical help, and our tutoring section, which is open 24/7, accessible right through Canvas. Back to the dashboard, we'll view the eLibrary overview. NEIB's eLibrary is an important area that you'll access often throughout your time in your courses. You'll need to support your work on assignments and discussion boards with research, and the eLibrary is where you'll go to find that information. Here, we've highlighted an overview of the eLibrary, the APA formatting and writing resources, as all courses require that you write to APA standards for citation and for outlines. And you can proactively check your assignments and discussion board posts for plagiarism before submitting through our Turnitin plagiarism checker. Turnitin automatically scans every assignment when you submit, but if you'd like to check this before submitting for credit, you can go to the eLibrary overview, run your paper or post through this service, and fix any citations ahead of time so you're not losing needless points when you submit. Back to the dashboard, you can see the course tile for any course that you're enrolled in. This allows you to access your course homepage. The course homepage outlines the syllabus, the to-do list, your calendar, and a summary of all required assignments and discussions throughout the class. An important section here is the modules section, which you can get to either clicking this link on the homepage or by selecting it here on the in-course navigation page. These both go to the same spot, so whichever one you like better, go ahead and click it. The modules section outlines each week in a very granular way. It shows the readings, the lectures, multimedia, and assignments due for each week so that you can proactively plan out exactly what's going on and prepare. Back on the course homepage, you'll see that you can access a number of areas with the in-course navigation pane. The homepage, which we're on right now, the modules section, which we just looked at, your course announcements, the discussions, the e-library, and your grades. All of these areas can be accessed on any page throughout the course. The discussions area is most important, as every course requires discussion boards. You can get to it through the in-course navigation menu here, through the course homepage here, or through the modules section. Again, many avenues, no wrong choice. Discussion pages and assignment pages look quite similar, and there's a lot of universal functionality here. First, you'll see the outline of what you're being required to do. Next, for discussions, you'll see the guidelines, which is your code of conduct on how to operate respectfully when interacting with your peers and your instructor. The ellipses in the right-hand corner here allow you to access the rubric. The rubric outlines exactly how your instructor will grade each assignment. It's a good idea to check this proactively to ensure that you're meeting these requirements and not losing needless points. Discussion boards have a due date for the initial post of Thursday at 6 a.m. Eastern Time each week. The boards close on Monday at 6 a.m. Eastern Time. 6 a.m. Eastern Time is when it is due, not when you have to post. So long as you're adhering to these due dates, you're going to be meeting the requirements. Let's look at an assignment page. To get there, I'm going to use the in-course navigation bar. I'm going to select the modules section, and I can see the page for the week 1 assignment. You could also get there by going to the home page and using the course overview. On the assignment page, again, you'll see what's being required of you, the due date, hints for success, updates to feedback, as your instructor is going to provide feedback for assignment. When it does come time to submit an assignment, you'll click the Submit Assignment button here. This brings up the dialog window. Again, you can see the rubric is below here for review. You're able to upload a file. Please make sure that you're reading the assignment requirements to make sure you're submitting the correct type of file. You can also submit a Google Doc for certain assignments in certain courses. When it's time to upload, you'll choose the file, which will allow you to select a file from your computer. Once you've selected the file, you can add any comments for the instructor. You'll have to click the box that says this assignment is my own original work. Click Submit Assignment to submit the assignment. Again, the NEIB e-library is an area that you'll access often throughout your time here, as you'll need to support your work with research. Here, on the current homepage for the NEIB e-library, you'll see an area for writing resources, which has APA templates and APA information to make sure you're citing properly, a search function that searches all databases, and any how-to videos or overview videos done by our e-librarian. You'll find that Canvas is very user-friendly. There are a number of levels of support here. Please don't hesitate to reach out to your instructor or your academic advisor for anything that we can do to help. We're here to see you succeed from day 1 all the way through the end of your course or your program. Best of luck!